It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, the 2nd of February. I'm James Spann. We turn cooler today. We'll have some rain at times. Even colder air settles in here tomorrow. And maybe some more rain at some point this weekend, especially on Sunday. And next week looks fairly active. So let's go in and talk about things. It's a westerly flow aloft, so any surface boundary is not going to be pushing through here in a hurry. Have a cold front just drifting southward through North Alabama today with that configuration. And a little rain on the board early this morning. That was the radar at 5:04. Raining around the Shoals, Tuscumbia, Florence, Sheffield, up in northwest Alabama. Raining around the Golden Triangle in eastern Mississippi, and that rain will be pushing on into central Alabama this morning. Temperatures are mostly in the 40s, although we've still got some extremes. Fort Payne at 37, Birmingham at 54. Today will be cooler for most everybody in north and central Alabama. The high will be in the 50s. And around the region, you can see behind that front, we're below freezing for St. Louis, and we should be below freezing by early Saturday morning as the weekend begins. Many of our colder pockets will likely be in the 20s by then. A dense fog advisory early this morning for parts of South Alabama. Other than that, things pretty quiet around here. And again, thunder very hard to find around the nation today. There could be some on the northern California coast, and that's about it. This is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Thursday morning of next week. About 1 inch for the north, 1/2 inch for the south, and we'll have multiple opportunities, but really no super big rain event over the next 7 days. Here we go, model fans, the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at noon. Again, a zonal flow. Surface boundary dropping slowly southward. Cloudy with a chance of rain at times today. Here's the high-res HRR at noon today, suggesting at that point rain should be falling in Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden. But by 9 o'clock tonight, not much is left. Maybe a few spots of light rain, but probably not much tonight. And then tomorrow, the guidance is coming in drier with that 1038 high pushing in from the north. The day should be breezy, colder, probably clouds in the morning, maybe the sun breaking through in the afternoon, but I think we can kind of back off on the chance of any light rain tomorrow. Any rain should be down across the southern quarter of the state. And again, areas north of Birmingham will likely stay in the 40s all day. There's a look at the anomalies. We go from being above average for much of this week to being below average tomorrow. Saturday looking cool and dry. We start the day around 30. The high will be in the 50s, and the sky should be mostly sunny. And the models are kind of backing off on the rain opportunity on Sunday. They've been doing this for several days now. It started back on Monday with a big rain event Sunday. Now it's showing nothing more than maybe just some patchy light rain. This is how the NAM handles this. Early Sunday morning. This is 3 a.m., It's got some rain passing through, but then by noon, it's all over. So Sunday looking much better if you're planning on doing something outdoors. Not ready to take out the chance of rain completely, but looks like the rain might be coming through during the pre-dawn hours, and a decent part of the day will be dry. And the high would be in the upper 50s. And then Monday, a new storm forms west of the state. And this is suggesting we might need to hang on to some chance of a shower Monday, but the better chance probably west of here. And then Tuesday, a very complex storm system forming over the Great Lakes region. Heavy snow in the cold air up north, and then a band of rain and storms passing through here Tuesday and Tuesday night. Don't think we have any severe weather. And then Wednesday, the air begins to turn drier. So this run showing the rain ending very, very early Wednesday morning. In a decent part of the day, Wednesday could be dry. And this is a week from today. This is Thursday the 9th. Troughing over the northeastern states, we have colder air pushing in with a 1034 high, but not as cold as other runs we have seen. This would put the high around 50 on Thursday. And this is the end of the forecast period. Saturday the 11th, the flow goes zonal, and that just looks cool and dry. We'll check the numbers off the European. You can see the spike down tomorrow with a high at 47. Then highs for the weekend in the 50s. We go back in the 60s early next week, and then cooling back down to about 50 toward the end of next week. But again, if you average all of those numbers out, they're pretty close to where we should be for this time of the year. No brutally cold Arctic air showing up for the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or on TV, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.